Canva Logo Design tutorial, how to create a logo for free on Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can create an amazing logo on Canva. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you are just going to sign up on canva.com and then you are just going to search for logo in your search bar. Now, you don't necessarily have to always customize a template. You can always get started from scratch. But the reason why I like to look around at some templates before I get started is that it gives you a better idea of how you should be designing, what kind of design would work for your business. So you can open up multiple different designs to see how they would look if you wrote them and how they would look with your particular business. So this can give you a bunch of different ideas and some inspo for you to get started. So I am going to be building a logo for a fashion brand that I'm going to call Mira. So I want something that's, nice and it's chic and doesn't have, a bunch of outdated elements. It should just feel, pretty fresh. So I am leaning towards a lot of text and maybe a few lines in this particular design. And I really like this one. So if I was to name my brand Mira, I would just have to customize this and that is it. Honestly, it looks pretty good, but maybe I want something that's a bit more detailed than this because this looks a bit too empty for my personal taste. So although I do like this, I do want something that's a bit more, in your face. So I am going to go into creating a blank logo first. So this will open up an empty canvas and I am going to go for a black background this time. And then we are going to get started. So first off, I'm going to write some text, which is going to be M. And then I'm going to choose a font style that I like. So I want to search for contemporary font styles. So I'm just going to browse around a little to find the one that I really like. I think I'm going to go with this one over here. And then I'm just going to resize the alphabet. This looks pretty good. Now from here, let's say I'm going to go back into our template gallery to see some of the different types of logos that people are building. So I do like a lot of these, but nothing is, the way I want it to be. So I'm going to scale this down and write Mira, which is going to be our brand name. And I think I prefer just writing M in a larger font size like this. And then I'm just going to copy and paste and then just write Mira like this at the bottom. Then I'm going to go into elements and take two simple white lines. I'm going to change the weight to only one. So it's like a very skinny line and I'm just going to place it right below the text over here. Now I'm going to go into elements and search for royal lines, or you can search for gallant lines, something that's going to be a bit more decorative, something that's a bit more interesting to look at. So I am going to take a look at some of the designs available on this because this is a logo, so I don't want something that's too designed. I want something that is recognizable, to a certain extent. So I am going to keep on looking to find something that, balances out everything. Now I'm just going to search for a crown. And I want a lined crown. I think that would actually look pretty interesting. So this is nice, but this is a bit too detailed again. I want something that goes with a simple straight line to befit the overall appearance. I don't think I like this one. I want to try out something else. So I am just going to take a look at this one over here. I think this one will probably look pretty good. And then I'm just going to place this over here. And instead of placing it like that, I might just want to place it like so. Then just placing everything at the center like this. And I think this looks pretty cute. I really like this as a logo. Now I can just duplicate this page and just try out different ideas with this. So let's say I want to go with a different style. I can go like this, and I want to leave the M and just group this part together and then rotate this to 90 degrees. And then I can place this part over here as well, like so. And you can always remove, the bottom lines if you want. If you want, you can also keep them, but I really like them on the other side. I'm going to ungroup that and remove the bottom lines like this. We're going to write Mira, that is our brand name. And then we might want something like a fashion item to be hanging around it. So I'm going to search for a dress in the graphics section. And then I am going to take an interesting dress like this one. For this, I am going to change the background color. I don't think this is going to fit with, current one. I'm going to take this one. And I want some of it to lay over the text while the rest of it is going to be, behind the text. So for that effect, you can just go on ahead and place it. So I'm going to place it like this, and then I'm going to do Command C, Command V, place it right on top. Click on the layer and click on Send to Back. Then you're going to take the one in the front, click on Crop, and then you can just crop that like so. And now, one part of the dress is, layered on top, and the other one can actually display your entire item. You can also, make this pretty transparent to make it easier for you to set it up. So I can make it like this as well. This actually looks really nice like this. I like the blurred effect on it now. So in this way, once you have completed your design, just place it in the center and then click on share on the top right and then click on download, and you can download your new logo. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.